Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platforms to power this component of their application, but took issue with expensive transaction fees, low throughput, and poor performance with these options. As we expect to push thousands of transactions a day through a public ledger at scale, we needed a solution that could handle our needs both today and as we grow continued Yadav. The Hedera consensus service was an obvious choice for our use case. The high velocity of user-generated and machine-generated events could not cost-effectively be recorded on other public ledgers or using smart contracts. Adopting Hedera has increased customer trust, bolstered our value proposition, and improved acquisition and retention. A scalable, low-cost, and verifiable log of events on Hedera by using HCS and the proof-of-action implementation, is able to prove to customers with confidence a holistic view of any action taken on their data. now leverages HCS and Hedera's proof-of-action implementation to create a high-throughput, immutable, and verifiable log of events on the public Hedera network, akin to a decentralized messaging bus. At $0.0001 United States dollars per message, HCS enables to log and make verifiable every event related to data access and retention. This creates trust for customers that data persists only within their cloud environment SaaS applications, and is not removed by their cloud proprietary platform, enables central banks to collaborate with the broader ecosystem of private sector innovators, and establish stakeholders on one platform, to bring fintech technologies to market faster, while addressing key regulatory reporting, risk and innovation challenges. Hedera's hashgraph consensus-based public ledger achieves the highest grade of security possible, ABFT, with ultra-fast transaction speeds and low bandwidth consumption, to provide high throughput, low fees and finality in seconds. MTIC Sandbox platform will offer the Hedera Token Service, HTS, and the Hedera Consensus Services, HCS, for various innovators once launched. MTIC was recently named Central Banking Journal 2021 FinTech and RegTech Finnovator of the Year for its modern central bank sandbox platform. About MTIC. MTIC is a fintech company that builds powerful and modern central banking solutions that address the demand of financial inclusion and financial market resilience. In addition to Hedera hashgraph, recent MTIC partners include Bank of Ghana, Central Bank of the Bahamas, and Wipay Caribbean. Or the use of drones. The trial by Neuron successfully demonstrated safely tracking drone flights once out of sight, allowing the drones to fly longer distances safely and securely. Drones for the Drone trial are supplied by DJI, the world's largest drone manufacturer. Neuron aims to deploy a solution for all drone use cases, transforming industries and supply chains in the UK and internationally. Applications for drone flights leveraging the Hedera-powered radar system in healthcare include remote medical testing, transportation of medical supplies to difficult locations, movement of equipment from hospital to hospital, COVID-19 test kits and beyond, as demonstrated across the UK on demand. The Hedera Consensus Service has already been adopted in healthcare solutions in the UK, through its usage by Everywhere and the NHS, to track the cold storage of COVID-19 vaccines, in the Middle East, through MVC's use for their track and trace system for pharmaceuticals in Bahrain, and in the US, through its collaboration with SAFE and ACOR, to provide COVID-19 track and trace systems for Arizona State University, the anti-cooperative, as did Ethereum. According to Arcane Research, BNB recorded an 11% loss for the week, while Ethereum saw a 14% total loss, underperforming Bitcoin for the week. The top 3 worst performing coins were noted to be LAYER1 tokens, which may suggest that LAYER1s are beginning to taper off in their outperformance of the market. However, the dip has been market-wide and may only be temporary. Bitcoin not much better off. The altcoins had suffered much more. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Hedera, HBAR, a good investment? How much will Hedera cost in 2025? Or how much will Hedera cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Our team is determined to master the strategy as quickly as possible. The value of Hedera hashgraph is expected to continue rising as scarcity tends to drive the price up. Please note that there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can before jumping to conclusions and do as much research as possible. Hedera is currently worth 22 cents United States dollars with a market cap of $4,248,008,320, making it a 32 most valuable coin. How high can Hedera hashgraph go? The average Hedera hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecasts for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025. HBARs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $1.07. HBAR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 92 cents, a minimum price of 90 cents, and a maximum price of $1.07. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2026. According to Hedera hashgraph's price target and technical analysis, in 2026, HBAR price is expected to cross the $2.13 average price level. Hedera hashgraph's expected price low is $2.06 by the end of this year. Moreover, HBAR may reach a maximum price level of $2.58. Hedera hashgraph price prediction 2027, based on our in-depth technical analysis of past HBAR price data, the Hedera hashgraph price is forecast to be around $2.95 in 2027. Hedera hashgraph rate can peak at $3.58, with an average trading value of $3.04. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2028. The Hedera hashgraph rate in 2028 is forecast to hit a low of $4.39.